These AI road restoration videos are going insanely viral right now. Just check out this channel. The moment they started posting those AI road restoration videos, their views went from the lowest to the highest overnight. This video alone has over 37 million views. Another one has 24 million, and the engagement is absolutely insane. It's honestly one of the most satisfying and addictive formats people love watching today. So I wanted to know exactly how they were creating these videos. And after doing some digging, most of the tutorials I found were teaching people to download images from Pinterest and then transform them, which can easily lead to copyright problems, and I didn't want that. So I had to find a better way. And trust me, I did. This is what I was able to make using my own custom prompt, ChatGPT, Whisk AI, and Flow. And today, I'm here to show you exactly how you can create these types of videos yourself, with no skipping, no confusion, and no risk. All I want from you is to watch carefully and follow along. To start, the most important thing you need is a well-structured master prompt to feed into ChatGPT. I've already made this super easy for you. I've provided my Google Docs link in the description below. It contains the exact prompt I personally used. Just click the link to open the document. You'll see the full prompt inside. And don't worry, there's no need to read through it. Simply copy the entire thing. You also have my permission to save it somewhere for your future projects. Once you've copied the prompt, head over to ChatGPT and start a brand new chat. Paste the prompt into the message box and hit enter. This prompt will make ChatGPT generate 10 separate video ideas in different locations. Each video idea comes with 4 scenes. Each scene has a consistent text-to-image prompt, an animation prompt, and 1 full narration script. That's literally everything we need to build the full video. So now that the prompt is ready, it's time to generate our images. Go to Google and search for Whisk AI, then open the first result. Once you're inside, click Browse Gallery, then Enter Tool to open it fully. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. I'll guide you through creating your first entire video, and later you can repeat the process to generate as many more as you want. Now go back to ChatGPT and choose one video idea from the 10 it gave you. I'll go with the first one. Copy the text-to-image prompt for scene 1, go back to Whisk AI, paste the prompt, and generate the result. You'll see several images appear. Just pick the one you like the most and download it. That will be your first scene image. Next, click on Refine. This turns your image into the main subject, so you can generate consistent variations based on the same environment. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the text-to-image prompt for scene 2, paste it into Whisk, hit enter, and it will generate a new image, but still in the same location. Download and save it. Do this again for scenes 3 and 4. Copy their text-to-image prompts from ChatGPT, paste them into Whisk, generate, and download. This is the same process you'll follow for all the remaining video ideas if you want to create more videos later. Now, the next thing we need to do is convert these images into smooth animations. And for that, we're going to use Google Veo 3, which we'll access through Flow. You can use other AI tools if you want, but Flow honestly gives the best and cleanest results. Let me quickly clarify something before I get messages about it. Flow isn't completely free. It has a premium plan, but it provides free monthly credits and daily credits. You get 100 free credits every month per account and also 50 free credits every day. These credits are only used for video generation, not for image generation, so you can generate unlimited images without paying anything. Some people also complain about generation failed. It happens to me sometimes. The main cause is slow internet, so if you get that error, just make sure your internet connection is strong and then regenerate it again. All right, let's continue. Search for Flow on Google and open the first link. Click Create with Flow and then create a new project. Switch from text to video to frame to video. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and the output to 1. Make sure the model is set to Veo 3.1 Fast. This one uses 20 credits per video generation. Now, if you want more credits without paying anything, you can simply create multiple Gmail accounts and use them to log in. That's exactly what I do. I have 5 Gmail accounts. Each one gets 50 daily credits, which means I get 250 every day. And when a new month starts, each account gets 100 extra monthly credits on top of the daily ones. So each account totals 150 monthly credits, and with 5 accounts, that gives me 750. Now, Google has updated Flow to a completely new interface, so pay close attention to how things work now. Inside Flow, look at the prompt box where you'll see the text Nano Banana. Tap the menu bar right there, and that opens the new Model Settings menu. Since we want to animate our images, switch the mode to Video, choose Frames, set the orientation to Portrait, set the output to X1, and make sure the model is set to VEO 3.1 fast. With this new update, Flow now gives us a start frame and an end frame. The next step is to upload all 4 images. Click the plus icon at the top right corner, choose Upload Image, and select all the images at once, or upload them one by one if you prefer. Either method works perfectly. Now let's begin animating. For your first animation, click on Start Frame and choose Scene 1, the bad road. Then click on End Frame and choose Scene 2, the workers arriving. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt for Scene 1, paste it inside Flow, hit Generate, wait for it to finish, and then download your animation. Next, we move to the second animation. This time, set Start Frame to Scene 2 again so it becomes the new starting point, and set End Frame to Scene 3. Copy the Scene 2 animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, generate, and download once it's ready. Now, repeat the same process for the third animation. Click Start Frame, choose Scene 3 so it becomes the starting point, then click End Frame and choose Scene 4. Copy the Scene 3 animation prompt, paste it in, generate, and download your third animation. And finally, we have Scene 4, which doesn't transition into anything else. So here, simply add Scene 4 as the start frame by itself. Then copy the Scene 4 animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it inside Flow, generate, and download the final animation. Now that all the animations are ready, it's time to generate the voiceover. You can use any text-to-speech tool you'd like, for example, 11 Labs, but personally, I prefer Google AI Studio. If you want to follow along, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Open the first result, hover over New, and you'll see a list of models. Scroll down a bit and look for Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Click to open it, choose the single speaker audio model. You'll see a list of voices, male and female, pick whichever you like. Leave the model settings as they are. Now give the model some instructions. You can keep the default instruction, or you can type something like read aloud in a narration and YouTuber tone. After that, copy the voiceover script from ChatGPT, paste it in, run it, wait for the generation to finish, and download your voiceover. Now the final part, which is honestly the easiest, putting everything together. I'm using CapCut for this, but you can use any video editor you prefer. Import all your animations and your voiceover. Add the voiceover to your timeline first. Increase the voiceover volume a bit, trim any long pauses, then drag in your first scene animation, followed by the second, third, and fourth. Select all the clips and reduce their volume so they don't interfere with the voiceover. If the clips seem too slow, increase the speed to match the pacing. Don't add background music in CapCut. Instead, export your final video, upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and choose a trending sound directly on the platform. This boosts your engagement and helps your video reach way more people. And that's it. The full, beginner-friendly, completely free method to create viral AI road restoration videos. No Pinterest copyright risks, no paid tools required, unlimited images, smooth animations, professional voiceover, all at zero cost.
This street was forgotten, cracked, broken, abandoned, but step by step, hands and machines rebuilt what time destroyed. And now it lives again.